How to knit these pretty floral coasters. I will show you round by round how to make them. The pattern text will be displayed at the top of the screen and animated highlights will help you follow along. In addition, I took the time to draw the diagrams for each round to make it even easier for you. And my innovative progress bar at the bottom of the screen will show you exactly the round we are working on, as well as making it easy for you to pause your project as needed and come back in your own time. So go grab your crochet hook and your yarn and let's get started. I am using a 3mm crochet hook today. To get started, I'm going to make a slip knot. This is how I do my slip knot. Then you will chain 6. Once you've done that, you will slip stitch into the first chain to create a circle, just like this. To kick off round number 1, we will chain 3. This chain 3 will count as our first double crochet. Then you will crochet 19 more double crochets into the circle. For a double crochet, you will yarn over, insert your hook and pull a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. I will mark this stitch with my stitch marker. It represents the second stitch for round 1 since the chain 3 counts as the first stitch. Now I am going to slip stitch into the third chain that we created originally. For round 2, we're going to crochet 2 double crochets next to each other, followed by a chain 2. You will do this all the way around. Let's start this with a chain 3. This will count as our first double crochet. Here is my stitch marker that marked stitch number 2. So I'm going to crochet the second double crochet into this stitch. After the 2 double crochets, we will chain 2. That is our pattern repeat for round 2. Let's go ahead and crochet another 2 double crochets followed by a chain 2. Go ahead and continue this pattern until the end of the round and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, so this was the end of round 2. I just finished my chain 2 and I'm going to slip stitch into the third chain from the bottom. So round 3 is this round right here, and into the chain 2 space, which is this space right here. Into the chain 2 space, we are going to be doing 2 double crochets, a chain 2, and 2 double crochets. So this is our next round here. We're going to start round 3 with chain 3. This will count as a stitch. So we have to work 4 double crochets into each of the chain 2 space. So this chain 3 will be the last of the 4 for over here, and we're going to start over here. So we're going to do 1 double crochet into the chain 2 space, 2 double crochets, and then we're going to chain 2, and you're going to put another 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space. So we're doing 1, 2, chain 2, and another 2 double crochets, and that's your pattern repeat for the 3rd round. So let's do it together one more time. So this is our next chain 2 space, yarn over, double crochet, yarn over, double crochet, chain 2, and then 2 more double crochets into the same space. 1 and 2. So you will do that all the way around, and I meet you back here at the last chain 2. So we're at the end of round 3, and here's our last chain 2 space I was telling you about. So the chain 3 is the first or the last out of the 4 double crochets that we're making in this space. So we're gonna do 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and then chain 2. And since we already have 1 here, we need to do 1 more. And then we're gonna slip stitch into the chain 3s. And that was round number 3. So all that's left to do is going to be the edge stitches to finish off your cute little coaster. We're gonna start out with chain 3, and what we're gonna do is, here's the chain 2 space from the previous row. We're gonna slip stitch into this next space. So this chain 3 lays down, and then over here in this gap where there's no chain 2, we're going to do 6 double crochets. So that was your first double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I did 6 double crochets, and then I'm gonna slip stitch into this chain 2 space, and there you have your first edging. Let's do it together one more time. So in the space that looks like it has an upside down triangle, that's where you put in 6 double crochets. Six double crochets, and into the chain 2 space I'll do a slip stitch. So we've done 3, and go all the way around, and I will meet you back over here at the end, which is going to be just a little bit different. Okay, so I did the edging all the way around, and we back to the beginning. So if you look here, this was the original chain 3 that we did for the last round, and we slip stitches over so it kind of like lays down. So this is kind of like the last double crochet for the 6 double crochets that we've been doing. So into this space we need to do 5 more double crochets, and this would be counting as our 6th double crochet, and then we just slip stitch over here when we're done with the next 5 double crochets. So I'm actually going with my hook into the space between the clusters of 2 double crochets. So I just did 5 double crochets into that space, and here is that laying down chain 3. We're just gonna slip stitch into the 3rd chain from the bottom. Now all you have left to do is cut off your yarn, fasten in the ends, and you are ready to go. And you have a super cute coaster. I hope you like this tutorial. Give me a like or write me a comment if you appreciate my efforts. I will see you guys next time. Bye.